Some homes are tucked into the woods. Some sit behind a main house. Some arrive by truck. Some are defined by the details others overlook. But behind the beauty of a new home, traditional sprinklers can bring cost few people see coming. New water connections, tapping fees, freeze protection, delays before occupancy. Automist changes that. With advanced water mist protection and a compact installation approach, it attaches directly to the existing water main, no tank or utility upgrade required. And in wildland-urban interface areas where early action matters, Automist is designed to respond fast, helping control fire before it has time to grow. Smarter protection, designed for homes that deserve better. Automist, modern fire protection for the way we live today.